and welcome back. My name is Vidhi and I hope you all are safe and doing well. So today's video is all about people who really want to read books but get some kind of pocket money and through that they cannot buy expensive books. So this is your video in which you don't have to buy pirated books or second hand that sort of, but these all are authentic original books. Secondly, they are beginner friendly also because they are very thin books. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to talk about 12 such books that are beginner friendly kind of, but also are pocket friendly for sure. So some books are not beginner friendly because they are classics. Some classics are sold at very cheap price, so you can definitely get them. And I have a lot of books apart from these also which are beginner friendly plus under a budget. But I included 12 books that I have read. Let me clear it out at the first only that all the books are of under 200 rupees. That means the MRP is under 200 and the pages are under 200. So both the categories I have thought very specifically because that's the main reason I'm filming this. So the first book is Parinita by Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay. It is a book that I recently read, okay, and I instantly fell in love with the writing by the thought process of the author because he has portrayed the basically the era of our grandfathers and grandmothers. That's the time he has portrayed in this book, and he has taught in such a thin book that marriage is such a beautiful thing. Not just that, but earlier people used to think about marriage, they used to stick through it. Also if they thought about marriage, they will never back out. Like these days they get divorced and all those things, but पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. और वही इस बुक को इतनी ब्यूटीफुल और इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग बनाती है. एंड इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन ऑल दोज थिंग्स देन यू विल लव दिस. बट आई बेसिकली लव द राइटिंग, द वे ही हैज पोर्ट्रेड. Okay, so I love the character of Lalita, which is the main character of the book, but I did not like that much the other main character, which is Shekhar. But in all, the book is very beautiful and you can definitely get it because it is of 75 rupees and I precisely remember it is of 70 pages. So perfectly beginner friendly plus perfectly pocket friendly for you. The second book is Believe in Yourself by Dr. Joseph Murphy, and this is a book through which I started my YouTube journey. I have said this a lot of times, but I would always remember and I always refer to this book because in such a thin, chotu, small book, you get so much of knowledge and of 73 pages. But these 73 pages contain so much of knowledge that we don't even consider understanding those simple basic things in our day-to-day life. And the way the examples have been portrayed, the way the things have been portrayed, you will easily be able to understand, although there is a lot of baseless things. But the main point is that it is very beautiful book and it is a self-help book. So if you don't prefer fiction books, then you can definitely get it. It is definitely motivating, definitely a perfect book if you really want to start with self-help books. I started my self-help books journey, means reading journey in self-help books, through this. So I will always cherish this. This is a perfect book. If you want to take one such book in the entire pile, then you can get this book if you are interested in self-help. So that's the reason. The third book is by Murakami. It is The Birthday Girl. I have reviewed this, talked about it a lot of times again. It is such a thin book of I think 100 rupees and of 42 pages. But again, these 42 pages contain so much of excitement, so much of it will develop so much of interest. It will make you think a lot. Although this is the first book I read by Murakami, but I totally loved his writing. It is an open-ended book, so it is up to you whatever you want to and however you want to make the ending. So I really love this book. You can definitely get this. It is a fiction. It is a fiction book. So again, an interesting story. It will make you use your brains so much. Okay, the next book in the pile is The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. Again, I talked about this in previous videos. This is such a beautiful book. It is a fiction book. The beautiful message is being portrayed, in which you get to understand that whatever you have, it is sufficient, and you should never do compare yourself with others. You should always be satisfied with whatever you have and whatever you can get, but never compare yourself with the other. You don't know the struggles which other have gone through. So that has been portrayed in this, and I definitely recommend this to all. It is of 95 rupees and the pages are 83. So highly recommended to all the beginners out there. Okay, the next book is She Screws Silence by Richa Agarwal Goyal. This is again, I recommended previously in the last few videos because I totally love this. It is of 150 rupees and it is of 150-ish pages, means 2-3 pages more, but it is such a beautiful book. It is a non-fiction book. It is a book which will improve your perspective surrounding you. It will improve you in a lot many ways than you think. There are small quotes or conversation point of view messages which has been written in this, and you will finish this in a single sitting. I feel it is such a good book. I will definitely recommend to all. Okay, the next book is Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. Change your attitude and change your life. So this is how, this is how it looks. It is such a pretty book. It is of 200 rupees, means 199. It is a self-help book and there are 128 pages. Again, this is a book that I read simultaneously with the Believe in Yourself. These two books have played a big role in pushing my motivation in front and pushing me, encouraging me to start this, to start what I love in my life. And I started my journey as a content creator. After that, I really would like to speak someday for people out there. I would like to share my experiences. I have a lot experiences which I would love to share. I have learned so much in these few years of my life that I would really love to share it with all. So this is again a book which tells you that just by changing small things in your life, just like your attitude, you can change everything. It's just based on your mentality and your thinking process that you need to change, and better things are ahead of it. So okay, the next book on the list is As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. I just read this book recently only. I really love the way the classics are. I really love the concept of the classics because classics are classics, okay? Like your old classics. So you can get so much of knowledge from it. And there are a few more in this file that are classics, but it is of 75 rupees and of 50 pages, just 50 pages, but so much of wisdom and knowledge. These classics have different kind of perspective altogether, and I love reading classics. I never thought I was a person who will love classics, but I definitely love classic books and I love reading classics. Okay, a lot of classic words have been spilled, but I really love this book because it is such a gem. You will definitely learn a lot. That the thinking process which you have for others, for yourself, it is the base of what you are. So this is another book that you should take. So it is definitely a book which will teach you a lot. So it says that the seed which you sow inside your brain, just for your dream or just for negativity, just for positivity, it grows into a huge plant. So the seeds which you sow in your brain should be thought precisely and should be thought before sown, because it is gonna be a big tree one day, and at that time if it is a negativity tree, then you cannot cut your negativity tree from the roots itself. So the root, if you still cut the plant, the roots will still be inside your brain. I think I made it clear. So that's the beautiful message I learned from this book, and you should get this. The next book is Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore. I love this book because there are very short stories by Rabindranath Tagore and his life and the experiences that he had. It is of 50 rupees and the pages are 68. The book is beautiful, the stories are beautiful, the message is beautiful. Everything about Rabindranath Tagore is beautiful. I really love this. There are a lot of inspiring things that you will learn from this. Again, it is a non-fiction definitely, but you can get this. Okay, the next book is The Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. I read again a classic book of 75 rupees and 62 pages. It is such a heavy book. Just 62 pages are so heavy that you start thinking and questioning everything that you experience in your life. Just starting from a small, you start questioning everything surrounding you, and you start thinking about if you made justice to that thing, that decision is correct or not, a lot of things. So it is definitely a heavy book. If you love classics, then only pick this book. Also, it is kind of a boring because it is a classic. So if you really love reading classics, then only pick this. Otherwise you will not like this. I know it is very cheap and of very few pages, but if you like reading classics, then only get this. Okay, the next book is How to Become Rich, 12 Lessons I Learned from Vedic and Puranic Stories by Devdutt Patnaik. It is a book in which there is a lot of mythological stories through which the lessons are being taught, of basically money, and how thinking about money is not a crime, and how earning money is not a crime, and earning lot of money is not a crime. There are a lot about history, a lot of about mythology, explain how money is important and how you can keep your money safe, how you can invest, how you can not ignore money. So all these sort of things are there. I really love this. This is of 195 rupees and of 108 pages. It is a non-fiction self-help book. So again, if you are interested in all those things, then only get this. But beautiful book. I love mythology, so I love this book. Okay, the next book is Who Moved My Cheese by Dr. Spencer Johnson. This is how it looks. Again, a self-help, non-fiction, personal development kind of a book, where you know what is yours and what is not. A lot of beautiful messages are there which you will understand after reading this. It is of 199 rupees and 100 pages almost. So again, a thin book, but very good book. I have not read it completely, but I would like to recommend it to you. Highly get this book. The last book in the pile is Animal Farm by George Orwell. It is again a classic old book. It is of 125 rupees and 84 pages. I know it is a pirated book because I can see it is a pirated book, but I kept because I really wanted this and all the other sellers were not delivering. So that's the reason I got it. I have started this. I have not completed it, but again, such deep thoughtful book. Classics are like that only, so if you like classics, you can get this. But very beautiful story, and till now whatever I have read, it is very beautifully portrayed. I will review this. You will get to know if you would get this or not. So Yep, the last book. And with that, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share it, subscribe, all those good things. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, stay kind, stay positive, and bye.